Good afternoon. This is Dorcia Hart, retired pharmacist that doesn't believe in drugs. But what I do believe in is that you can eat fruits and vegetables, drink better water, and movement to improve your health. Your body will take that and heal itself. Okay, today at our workshop today, Take Care of Your Health, we're going to do a cooking class. So I'm on my apparatus. I'm in the kitchen, and this is things that you should have in your pantry so that you can cook anything within 30 minutes. All right, let's get started here. Okay, so we have our pot going here. So let's put some oil in it. Okay, so the basic things that you should have in your pantry are onions, spinach, garlic. Those are and if you want to put red, green peppers and hot peppers, those are the basic things that you need to have in your pantry for just cooking any meal that you want, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So today we're going to cook breakfast, because I have some potatoes here, and we also have some eggs. So we have folded eggs, we have tofu eggs, and we have liquid eggs. So those are the choices for vegan. You have 3 different types of eggs that you can use. So let's get the onions going. And if you chop these up, on Sunday, and you put them in a glass container, they will last all week. Smells good. Fresh onions smell good. All right, so you just get them a little translucent. Yeah, your pan has to be hot. And I have it on medium setting. Just takes a few minutes. And it is 12:20. We started at 12:20. So you can see how long it takes. Then we have our spinach. I don't put the garlic in right away because, garlic can burn. So I usually put that in, near the end. Now, if you were going to cook fried rice, I would add in the grated carrots and then the garlic, and then cook that, and then add the right seasoning. So instead of regular olive oil, you would use sesame oil. And so once you put that in, then you can put your rice in, stir it up, put a few eggs in before you put the rice in, and you have fried rice. But today we are going to cook breakfast. So we have potatoes. So we have potatoes that I cooked earlier. I put them in water so that they wouldn't turn brown while I was waiting for you guys to get here. So let's just put them in. Actually, let's just pour off the water. Be easier. Okay. And we'll add the potatoes in. Usually I cook the onions and the potatoes together. I hadn't really decided what I was going to make, but that's okay. I'll throw them in now because potatoes take a little longer to cook than spinach. So I would cook the onions first, then the potatoes along with them, and then put the spinach in later after the potatoes are done. So you can put a top on to help the potatoes cook a little faster. And once you do that, then we can add the eggs. So I don't know if you ever tried these eggs. These are just eggs. That's what it's called. And so it comes in a little packet like this. You can put it in your toaster oven, but I just like to put it in my grill, and then I usually use it for fried rice, and then I just slice it up, chop it up, and it makes the eggs in the rice, fried rice. So that's one method. You can use tofu for scrambled eggs. I use the firm tofu, so it has some substance to it. So you just slice off a piece of that and mash it up into the skillet and stir it around, and then that's your eggs. You can also put that in your fried rice also, if you're making fried rice. And then last, for vegan eggs, we have just egg again, but it's liquid. Okay. So just like liquid eggs you buy in the store, you can pour it out into your skillet and make scrambled eggs. One thing about this, you have to put it on low heat. I usually, after I cook the vegetables, the onions and the garlic and the spinach and potatoes in there, and then I turn it off, and then I pour this in there so it doesn't burn. So these are very sensitive to heat. So use low heat, or just turn it off and then put the top on, and then you can use this as scrambled eggs. Okay, let's see how we're going over here. So you can tell, you see the white in there. It's not quite done yet, but some of them are getting there. Okay. And we do have vegan butter. So at this point, this is where I would add the butter. So let's go get the butter out. So we have this butter here. I really like this butter. It's plant-based butter. Tastes just like regular butter, and it's hard like butter. It melts like butter. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in here. I did with my knife. Oh, there it is. And there's no cholesterol. Made out of coconut. No animal cholesterol. Coconut does have cholesterol in it, but it's not animal cholesterol. Okay, so our potatoes look like they're getting a little brown. All right, let's go ahead and put our garlic in, and then we'll put our eggs in, and we'll put the top on. I like to use fresh garlic, but I'm out, so I always have a backup. Always have a backup. So if you're cooking something, you won't have to lose out. All right, so you got the garlic in. Stir that around for a minute. Smells really good. Okay, now we're gonna throw our eggs in. I'm gonna use the liquid eggs today. And you see, pour it out just like eggs. And I usually put it on low, the thermostat on low. and then put the top on so they can cook. And so far we're at 10 minutes. See, that didn't take very long at all. Just waiting for it. So it might take another 5 minutes for the eggs to cook. And then you'll be ready to eat. You can add your salt and pepper. I like to use peak Himalayan salt. And I have a little pepper over here, my little pepper grinder. For other meals that you use with the basic stuff, which is the onions, the garlic, the spinach, carrots, and other vegetables that you like mushrooms, or I know mushrooms not a vegetable, but you know, you can call it a vegetable. I call it a vegetable. You can make fried rice. You can make tacos. Just add your meat. You can make you know, anything, because you have the basic thing down. So everything is just formed around your basic ingredients, and then you put different seasonings on them. So you might put taco seasoning on the meat on top of the vegetables that you made to make tacos or enchiladas, lasagna. All of those are all start from the basic ingredients. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Okay, now you can also add cheese on here. Okay. And the vegan cheese I like to use starts with a V. Let's go see what we have in the refrigerator. Okay. So this is the cheese that I like, Viol Life cheese. And let's see what we got. We got Colby Jack cheese. So let's put some of this in there. We also have Parmesan, and we have cheddar. So let's put the Colby. Oh, I haven't opened the Colby Jack. So let's use the one that we already opened. We have cheddar cheese. Okay. I don't really like that much cheese, but we'll put a little bit on so we can show you how it looks. Okay, we'll put top up on and melt it, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna turn off the heat. And we'll let that melt, and we'll plate it, and we'll be ready to eat. So far we're 12 minutes. See how that didn't take that much time? All the other dishes, they take less than 30 minutes to make. All right, it's getting there, folks. Okay, the potatoes are done. Work soft. Give it a couple of minutes. So what are some of the things you guys like to eat? I can do another demo if you're interested in seeing how I make it vegan and cook it to you. So I do enchiladas, I do tacos. I also, oh, you can also garnish with avocado. That makes a really nice egg omelet, or you can put it on top of just about anything, just so you can add some good fat, good nutrition. All right, let me get the plate. All righty, get the plate. Oh, and we need a spatula to take it out. Okay, there we go. Spatula, and we'll be ready to eat. Okay. All right, that plates up nicely. And then I like to, season it with salt and pepper after I plate it because, you don't know how people's taste buds are. They might not want as much salt or the least salt. Okay, so we got it all together. All right, let's give it a taste. Okay, so we need a little salt. Just lightly sprinkle it around. Okay, let's see how this tastes. Okay, I have enough salt in it. Okay, so y'all want me to cook something else or change the recipe? Let me know, and we'll show it right here on Take Charge of Your Health. Thank you for watching. Bye.